Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make a plain sponge cake, and that is a plain sponge cake without no liquid. When baking my cake, I normally use organic eggs, and sometimes the yolk can be pale yellow, which result of the color of this cake, and sometimes I end up with deep orange, which result of this cake. So they're basically the same cake with the same ingredients, but different color yolk, right? So let's begin. At this point, you want to preheat your oven at 350 degrees and grease and flour your baking pan. Now that is out of the way, it's time to cream your butter and sugar until it is light and fluffy. I use medium speed to cream my butter and sugar. And remember, your butter and eggs should be room temperature. After creaming your butter and sugar, it is time to incorporate your eggs one by one, followed by the lime juice and essence. Now you are going to gradually add the flour mixture to the butter mixture and do not overmix. When the flour disappears, that is when you want to stop and add some more flour and continue with the process. Now that your batter is ready, you are going to add the mixture to your greased baking pan and you are going to bake it for 45 minutes. And remember, not all stove bake the same, right? So mine might take 45 minutes, yours might take a shorter time or a longer time. And depending on the type of baking pan you are using too, it might take a quicker time or a shorter time, right? And I place parchment paper at the bottom of my baking pan. So you can choose to do that or or not. This baking pan is an 8-inch baking pan. If you notice there's a crack on top, that is because the pan is too small for the batter. So you can go ahead and use a 9-inch pan or a 10-inch pan. I just love to see the highness of this cake, so that is why I use that pan. Also, you can use two smaller baking pans to bake it, maybe 2 7-inch. What I like about this cake is that it lasts a bit longer than when I put milk in it, and it gets moist as the days go by. You can have it with your favorite drink, or you can have a slice with some ice cream. It's very light. It's spongy, very spongy. And the thing that I love, one slice keeps me satisfied. I don't have to go back and back and back. Look at that. Wonderful color. And as the days go by, it's going to get moist. By tomorrow, it's going to be moist. Moist. Look at that. Spongy. You can make your own twist to it and enjoy it. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video.